An oil terminal in Southeast Asia was facing a daunting issue back in 2019. This was the aging of a product transferring subsea pipeline which brings diesel and gasoline from the jetty to the onshore terminal. This 1 kilometre long pipeline, which passes under the sea and a sand dune, is critical for the smooth operation of the terminal. In the reliability inspections carried out, the facility noted several weak sections on the pipeline. These sections would have a limited life expectancy before they reach the minimum wall thickness allowed. Several options were considered by the owner, including repair, replacement and refurbishment. Repair was not the permanent solution they were looking for and included significant HSE risks. Replacement was a capital-heavy solution and would require a much longer time frame and would also require clearances from the local authorities and a lengthy process of engaging with the local fishing community, who may well have been impacted during the construction. The team investigated refurbishment options as well and found the pipeline could be refurbished by installing a new hose inside the original pipeline. There were several options available, but some would require significant modifications of the short bend elbows, which were located on the seabed, and others would significantly reduce the product transfer rate, which in turn would have increased the demurrage and the waiting time of each vessel. Primus Line offered a solution to install a flexible liner hose inside the aging pipeline. This could be done without any modifications to the hose pipeline and maintaining almost the same flow rate as the original. Primus Line is compatible with the product transferred within the pipeline. The liner was installed in record time even during the global pandemic, and there were no spills or safety incidences during the project. After completion of the installation, the lifespan of the subsea pipeline has now been increased by at least 20 years, saving millions of dollars and increasing the operational reliability of the pipeline. The trenchless rehabilitation system Primus Line is able to transport various media such as water, gas and oil. Before the renovation with the Primus Liner could start, the line required an internal camera inspection. There are 8 bends in total in the line, up to a maximum of 45 degrees. Because the Primus Line system is flexible, it was able to cope with these easily. The first step in the rehabilitation was the decommissioning of the line, which was then separated at the beginning and end of the section to be rehabilitated. The next step was to carry out the cleaning of the pipeline. This was done by sending a pig through the pipeline. The final run of the pig was used to make a cable connection through the pipeline for the winch. The folded Primus liner was then winched into the hose pipe. The Primus liner was then restored to its original circular shape using compressed air. The specially designed Primus Line connectors were then installed to ensure a tight and tensile connection. And the rehabilitated pipe was then reconnected to the system, incorporating new pipework between the original connection and the Primus Line connector. The line can now continue to operate for at least 20 years.